Let's talk about wholesaling in its very purest, most basic form. There's two sides of it. There's the acquisition side of wholesaling, and then there's selling wholesaling to an investor. On the acquisition side, you have many sources, which we'll dive into. You can either get them off the MLS, there's off market, you can try letter leads, probate, share sales, and go on and on about different acquisition methods, which we will later on in this course. And then there's the sell side. So you have a property, what do you do now? You need to sell it to somebody. You need to match that property up with an investor that's either looking to buy a rental property or buy a flip property, depending on what their strategy is. So what came first, the chicken or the egg? What comes first, the house or the investor? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter because you can't have one without the other. What I did to build a successful real estate company is I found a team and I built a team around me, and a good friend of mine was great at acquisitions, one of the best I've ever met. And I was excellent at selling. So we took our two skills and teamed up and built a team, and he controlled the acquisition side, I controlled the sales side, and we just had an awesome marriage when it came to building a real estate company. Because the most important thing when it comes to anything is building a team around you. So whether you want to take the load off yourself and find somebody that loves the acquisition part and can do that, and then somebody else can spearhead, or yourself can spearhead the sales side, I think it's very, very beneficial to work with a team, because working with a team just helps you grow and scale a lot faster if you choose to. If not, there are plenty of one truckers out there doing 1 or 2 deals a month that are making a killing and a boatload of money. So no one way is right, no one way is wrong. Those are just a couple examples of how I've seen people take the knowledge that we're going to teach you and implement it in real world settings.